Namaste friend, as you know I am from India, that is why I say Namaste all time to you. Today in this video I am going to teach you and tell you how to use a DVD and CD in the laptop. Okay friend, see I have a laptop, this is a Dell brand and I have one YouTube silver play button. You know I have already one channel in Hindi. I make a Hindi video about laptop and computer. In this channel I make a English language video. If you know English, please watch full video. You will learn how to use a CD and DVD in the laptop. If you have come first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Whenever I make a laptop computer video, you will get the notification. Let's start. See, I have a DVD in my hand. I want to see what is inside the DVD. You know, CD capacity is 700 MB and DVD capacity is 4.7 GB. You know, pen drive 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB. Same way, the DVD come in normally 4.7 GB in single layer. If you take a DVD in the double layer, then you will get the 8.4 GB approx. Okay, so I'm going to use this. How to use this? See, I have a laptop. Laptop is there. Okay, in this laptop you will see DVD and CD writer. When I press this button, see I have a laptop, I press this button, the tray come out. The tray is out over. Okay, in the desktop you will press the button, the tray will come automatically full, but this come only the half. You take this and you have a CD and DVD. Okay, this is the DVD. You see two part here. One is this layer and one is the back side. The signing part of the DVD you will put down. Okay, see how to use this. I have pressed the button, the tray has come out. See, now what I have to do, I have to put the DVD or CD like this way. The signing part is the downward. Okay, now I press here and I press the CD or DVD. Again I press the tray back, that go inside, and then what I have to do, I have to open this PC in Windows 10. In Windows 7 you have to open my computer, and Windows XP you have to open the my computer. Now you will see on the desktop this PC in Windows 10. What I have to do, I have to open this PC. Okay, when I open this PC, you will see there the one DVD writer option is there. It's a long way I show you. Now you can see this is a hard disk C drive and this is a D drive. Now this is a DVD writer. What is the content inside the DVD or CD, you will come to see. I want to open this, click here on the right button, then open, and you can see it's reading a DVD and CD. And now you can see this file are there, the boot file is there, this is this file and this file. You can, if you want to copy something from this, you just click here right button on this, on copy here. And now you want to save on the laptop computer, just click here and then you go to the paste. Okay, the matter will come from the DVD. You can see look at the light is blinking, it means that it is reading. Okay, this simple funda and this is simple way you can do the copy and paste. Okay, same way in the pen drive you're doing same thing, and same way you can use a DVD. Now you want to out the DVD, just press the button, the DVD will, look at this, the tray will come out. What you have to do, you have to pull it out and you have to remove it, and again you click back. Okay, this is the way how to use a DVD and CD in the laptop. I think this is very informative video. You must have learned something, and if you learn something, please like it, comment it and share. A lot of people in the world do not know how to use DVD and CD in the laptop. They must use it. Okay, again I say namaste because I am from India.